Hi, I'm Radhika. I am founder of Skya. I started this company 2 years back with a very close friend of mine, Uparnashi.
So can you please tell us a bit more about your brand?
Sky is not a brand, it's a platform. It's a community-led experiential travel platform. What that means is a lot of fancy word, but what that essentially means is that anybody who's a community leader, either is a content creator or a brand or anybody who's running like a WhatsApp group of people who have a shared interest, we enable them to host a group trip, a community trip, a thematic trip.
So what was the problem that you were actually thinking of solving when you started this platform?
So you understand Maslow's law of pyramid, right? Like the basic human needs, basic is roti kapda makan.
I don't think.
So if we want to make that pyramid for travel, the basic need was कि चलो मैं घर के बाहर निकलना है, मेरे को पहाड़ देखना है, उसी बीचेस, उसी आफेदार, बस देखना है, घर से बाहर निकलना है. That evolved into कि मेरे को जाके कुछ वहाँ पे exciting भी करना है. Now the self-actualized need in travel is having a sense of belonging or a sense of purpose when you travel. So that when you go to a place, you come back not just with pictures of the place that you saw, you come back with a self-growth that you witnessed in that trip. Right, so that's the need that travel is evolving into. But your current platforms, they are solving for still price, convenience, and everything. We want to build a platform where we solve that. Why do I say that? Because 70,000 people knowing Coldplay lyrics and so passionate about music in a stadium, that's an experience you cannot replicate anywhere else. आप अकेले चले जाओगे, Coldplay गा रहा हो, आपको नहीं मजा आएगा. That is why concert makes sense, and that is the एकदम peak of experiential travel. So for example, we did that founders retreat with you guys, right?
Yes. Or can you tell us a bit more about Unbuild?
Unbuild हमने करा. तो founders को break चाहिए होता है, is a basic need, ठीक है? आप अकेले जाके देख ले सकते हो. But what that trip did, when you left your family behind for 3 nights, 4 days, nobody was talking about work. Nobody was talking about their family. Everybody was just unpinning. मतलब वहाँ पे pause कर रहे हैं, reflect कर रहे हैं. That was the best kind of trip that a founder would want, right? And that can only happen if you put 10 founders together and enable that trip. And that's exactly what we do. Like put like-minded people together and design the right trip for them to meet the objective that they want to meet. And Unbuild is a great example how we do that.
What is that one term that you would give to your founder journey?
Perseverance. I think there have been many times when it has been कि नहीं होने वाला है, नहीं समझ में आ रहा. तो आई थिंक वन थिंग दैट हैज वर्क, मुझे नहीं पता कि इकोनॉमिक्स कैसे वर्क कर रही है, टीम कैसे वर्क कर रही है, बिजनेस मॉडल कैसे चल रहा है, प्रोडक्ट मार्केट फिट कैसे आया है. द ओनली थिंग दैट इज वर्किंग इज परसिवरेंस. कि अगर आज अच्छा दिन चल रहा है तो भी हम दिन से और ट्राई करके देख लेते हैं, आज बुरा दिन चल रहा है तो भी चलो दिन पे और कुछ करके देख लेते हैं.
That's a very good thought. Okay. What is one trip that you remember the best? Like one trip that you remember as a very good experience, or a trip that you still would recommend to do all over again?
Unbuild. Biased answer होगा, but if you understand our product, you will see it is finding about your community, right? और Unbuild कर रहे थे तो उसमें we went, right? And then I figured out कि अभी तक all the trips, those were not my communities. जब Unbuild हुआ उसमें I found my founder community through that trip, and that's why I love it, because that was the trip that I found my community. So I love that trip because that trip made me a consumer of my own product. So that was product love at a different level. कि अच्छा, now I am also a user. I would love to do this 2-3 times a year. So इसीलिए that trip is really special. That made my belief in my product so much stronger. As course, I had a great trip, which I would love to do again.
So, having said that, are we having Unbuild 2.0?
Of course, we are having it. Clearly, सारे founders busy हैं, including me. End of year close करते हैं, उसके बाद launch करते हैं. We heard such good things about last time कि हमें भी join करना है, हमें भी join करना है. So we need to make it happen so that all those people can also join. तो बिल्कुल अभी April में करते हैं. Good Friday वाले weekend करते हैं.
Done. Okay.